Now, you have a story today, Will. You got to get to something. It's been too long. We need to hear about what Willie Doo's thinking.
Yeah, it's been a while. So this is T-shirt making. What do you know about DIYs?
You're telling me you get the opportunity here today, and this is where you take us?
Well, I mean, this is the stuff that I think people would appreciate watching this. So it's a YouTube channel called How to Make Everything. And the title is How to Grow a $5,000 T-shirt in Only 3 Years.
Did you say grow?
Grow, yes.
Continue.
So, this one man, he's
only one man?
Yes, he's just one, single.
Is he a guy like you, Willie Doo?
Kind of. He's like a regular guy. He's
I like that.
Just making his way through life.
I like that. He's living life?
Yeah.
I like that.
Growing T-shirts. He actually grew T-shirt, like a T-shirt, through planting cotton plants on his backyard, and then actually harvesting these cotton plants, and then going through the process of like building a thread machine, harvesting those cottons to build a thread, building a looming machine to actually build like a canvas for the thread, and he actually like screen printed, made like certain types of ways to color it. Like this whole process was really amazing to me. Like there was all these like triumphs and defeats. His plants got like, over flooded, so he had to move the plants again. And, it was like the winter time, and he went through like all these different troubles, like trying to figure out like how this whole process works. And he actually got a little help from builders to build like these machines, the looming machine, the threading machine, but basically this whole process of building an actual T-shirt from scratch.
So the reason for the title is because he invested $5,000 over the course of the project?
Yes.
Oh my
goodness. Like I think over 2,000 hours of his time.
Did he include that in the $5,000, or it's $5,000 and 2,000 hours?
I don't think it included the labor.
Wow.
I don't think so.
That's wild.
But like,
so is he going to try to sell T-shirts, or how does he
just to build this one shirt from scratch? And he went through all the process of like, I think the most interesting part is making the color. So he got some turmeric plants that he grew himself to make the color yellow. He took, I think, beetles, like some kind of bug, to get the color dye red.
Wow. So when he says grow, he means grow.
Straight up grow.
He means grow.
Yeah.
Can I just say something? You know what strikes me watching this video? How amazing cotton is.
Mm-hmm.
Like, holy, do I undervalue cotton. I wear cotton every single day, and I don't appreciate it enough. Because you show me those plants, and I'm like, whoa.
Yeah.
That's right. That plant has this incredible fiber come out of it that we all wear. Mm-hmm. Show me a person who doesn't wear cotton on one article of clothing. It's amazing. Nature. Yeah. Farming. I love it. It's a great time, Will.
Yeah, it's a really interesting watch.
What would I wear?
Totally recommend it.
What would I wear without that plant? Polyester? I'm sweating and
yeah.
My goodness. Anyway, congrats to this guy.
Yeah, so he finally did it after.
He's going to need more than 312,000 views to make back these 5Gs. Yeah. Okay, so go give him a watch. Watch the pre-roll ad. He'll sell you one. Check out Mel Chemistry and get 25% off. So he will sell you one.
Not the one that he makes.
No. But you can support him in some way.
Yeah.
You appreciate what he's up to. So shout out How to Make Everything. Cool idea as well for a channel and a channel name. Big fan of that. You got to make things, Will.
Right.
You got to make something You know what you got to do? You got to go outdoors and you got to make something. I think those are the only rules. Oh, and you got to treat other people the way you'd like to be treated.
Yeah.
That's it. Those are the rules. It's all you need, those 3. Beautiful story. Well done, Willie. We covered it all.